Just expect the unexpected at that moment.
Yeah, the last times we are great.
Tessa, say something. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Solid, solid, solid.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Solid business.
What am I making?
Jade. Your Carvin Blue?
I think so. I think so. We're really here, bro. Nigga, we in Compton right now. It's crazy. We're doing this damn commercial. Our clothing brand. Beanie's fire. Beanie's real fire.
Chose American Express for my first pick.
Nigga, what?
American Express.
They gonna come up here playing all type of shit. Y'all know CSA?
American Express.
Yeah. You go out there with the camera.
I swear to God, bro.
He do it all.
But all it takes is you go to one event. Like this, how I started blowing up with my camera out there. My first week out there, I went to a party. I took pictures and did a behind the scene video, or not behind the scene, like a video of the party, bro. Ever since then, they've been booking me like crazy. Yeah, that's all it takes. You get in with the people that throw the big ass parties, big ass events.
Yeah. I mean, it's the same thing with LA. It's just a little bit more.
Yeah,
like,
just bro, people don't show that much love out here.
Yeah, it's way more grimy.
Nigga, in Atlanta, everybody show love. They don't care.
They're all black.
Bro, swear to God, bro, they don't care if you're better than them or what. Nigga, they gonna help you, bro.
All right, so Blue said I'm next after this scene. So Blue said I'm next after this scene. So you know what I'm saying, I'm telling him to draw and everything, make sure I don't waste that much time. Oh shit. Damn, child, but yeah, setting up the drawing for the next scene. That's it.
Home point updated.
That's just a SD card speed low. It's January 5th. Follow Vex Bolts.
Shit crazy. We just here. Section 8 ran company. Oh my god. No way.
Section 8 ran company is crazy, bro.
We who deleted comments?
Pardon?
We just got.
Oh my god, bro. Nobody's trying to hear that bullshit.
Don't give a fuck. We gonna let them know.
What time is that? 1 a.m.
So you want to have all the emojis and shit.
Instant.
How long you in LA for?
Till the 10th.
We got one more day with Chris. We got a few more days with Chris. We'll show him.
A week with Chris.
A week with Chris. We're vlogging every day with Chris. The day in life of
Day in the life
of Chris Young.
Chris. Slim the Sniper. Slim. Whatever you want to call it.
I ain't gonna lie. This like some like GTA shit. Like some GTA angle.
Low key, I ain't gonna lie. That is also GTA angle.
Can you do something like that? Like coming down like 260?
360? Alright, so like this?
Coming all the way down. Like, alright, that's it. Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, exactly.
I think
Cannon, nice to meet you. Cannon, nice to meet you.
Just go down straight in the middle. All the way onto the, you feel me? Watch out for that wire though.
Oh damn, that was cool.
So it could work like that?
Yeah.
Alright, better.
That'd be crazy. I don't even know.
I'm saying we gonna
Alright.
crazy work. Right in the middle of that motherfucker, bro. Bring more down.
Now this nigga press record button. Hey, we doing it, cuz. We doing it.
Hey, my nigga.
I ain't gonna lie, nigga, a little anxious and shit. But
You look at you.
And then like I'ma pan up to y'all gonna be like, who left their box? And that's what y'all gonna do the little rock paper scissors thing.
Okay.
And then I don't know. Whenever, what's the last line?
Yeah, you in the front, nigga. I'm trying to hit this shit.
Oh, after we
Or like walk that through. Walk through.
Okay. Come on.
So let's say, let me see the box.
And we done with
I
this.
think it would have been dope. I ain't gonna lie, like,
Nah, you really need to
open
let
it,
him
y'all,
listen
like,
in.
pour all the movies like out.
with
Are they
brand,
like, are they
you
in
a shoe
like
for
packages?
him.
Yeah, so like y'all should like when I open it, just drop everything. Like, what the hell is this?
Oh, he got to see.
Okay.
I know.
What's this?
Yeah, serious. This is last year. I think,
Okay.
right? Isn't
Yeah,
it
yeah.
serious?
That's work.
I
believe
I'm
it's
trying to
last
think though.
year.
Should it be like one take or should we try to like cut it up?
Stop there.
Cut.
Okay.
So like the same like pause, like boom.
Okay. So we gotta stop. So okay.
Where's my camera?
That's perfect. Diggity dog. Look.
Sitting in your car, right? Sitting in your car.
Yeah.
It's not enough. Hey.
We be happy. Oh, we already got this.
I need to show you guys for my reels.
They practice that film script that fast. That's how you know they really do this shit, bro.
That's great. I love that. That's what I'm saying. They do it, you know? And action.
I'm black. I'm not on that. Oh, we were supposed to stop, right? Damn. No, we were supposed to stop.
We finding all the blanks.
Are you good? You good, OG? You good? You good? My bad.
You see the
Yeah.
crust and the real chrome ring.
You good? Right? I clear. And action. Action.
You should go see what it is. I'm black. I'm not on that. See what no box. Rock, paper, scissors.
Green and white one for sure. It's so fire. They got a
Nigga heard that was like.
My boy going so slow, man.
This one sucked. The green one, the best one. You gotta go to the trenches one. This the two nice ones. Yeah, this one got Apple Pay. The other one do too though. But this one just watch. You gonna see it's all remodeled and shit. Yeah, they got a nice one.
The two bougie one, nigga. This the bougie.
Yeah, this the bougie one. Watch when you see the hood one. That motherfucker got no stickers, no nothing, fool. It's just green and white. The bottom green, the top white. Watch, you gonna see.
Hey, so how you know what she did?
Huh?
How you know what she did?
When I'ma get what?
How do you know what she did?
What?
Like,
What are you
what's
saying?
the stuff to get.
Oh, how do I know what to get? Oh, the sticker.
Let's catch up with him.
I niggas playing teeth and shit. It's like we didn't come prepared, nigga. Oh my god. I knew I should have brought.
You want the trays? Nah.
What's the trays?
Tree miners?
Yeah, let's ask him.
You wanna ask him? Bet you them moves?
Yeah, come on.
Bunch of young niggas out there, really.
You like it more than LA or what?
Hell no. I like LA way. Well, I don't know. Atlanta's better though, but Alabama's alright.
Okay.
But out here is cool, cause.
Where you been at in Atlanta?
Huh?
Where you been at?
In Atlanta?
Shit, in the main spots.
You mean
really.
in Georgia?
Well, yeah.
Atlanta, the city.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I used to say that too though. I thought Atlanta was just Atlanta was just Atlanta. But now that I live in Atlanta and know like it's different shit, you gotta say where you be at in Georgia.
No, I'm saying like, what spots in Atlanta you be at? Like,
Shit, nigga, I be at Clark sometimes. I be at Spelman sometimes. I be at
Shit, more money,
Morehouse.
own crib and shit. But I was trying to
Sometimes though, I don't really be out there that much.
I live in a high rise.
2-hour drive from my fucking school.
So you get that out here, way cheaper, $5,000.
Nigga, I need a haircut. Hold on, nigga. Let me see me. Bro, I need a haircut, dude.
so my niggas feel it.
Y'all ready? And action.
No, nigga, I'm just holding the camera, nigga.
No. Cut. No.
I wasn't even recording.
What? Slim Disciple. How you like that A74 quality? That's your Chris, huh?
Chris is fuck. I'm gonna show you my shit, bro. I took some fire ass pictures for fucking New Year's.
How Slim coming now? We got to doing with the code.
Can everybody hear me? I'm finna do it. All right, y'all. That's hilarious.
Hey, that's hey, bro.
That's a use. I'm telling
When
you.
is the 10th? When is the 10th?
Is that a Saturday? That's a weekend, right? I hope that's a weekend.
After 4, I'm gonna
LJ, you did your thing. Oh yeah. I told you.
Damn, bro. That's it.
I see it was 500, but we don't mind paying.
Damn, bro. That's it. Yep. Oh, damn. Hey, y'all peep, y'all peep.
This on the 360. You talking about the live?
Nigga, the line for the bus.
Nigga, get on the 360 though. You got it on this.
The Instant 360? I don't know where the fuck that is, bro.
Shit tough.
How do Beanies look?
No, you're not hitting me with the I got it, you gotta get your content, man.
Come on, he finna go all through the green light.
All right, chat. So we at our second location, and yeah, we just filming it. You feel me? So it's
Bro, just on the shadow ban because I got banned, bro.
Hey, the big
GTA.
homie. Hey, bro, the big homie go crazy on the motherfucking ATV though. He go crazy on the ATV. I was like, what?
GTA Chris.
You already know, you see this shit right here? Niggas really do this shit out here. Not me though. I'll bust my ass in the first 2 seconds.
Trippy cut.
Now ATV, yeah, I'm flipping that. My type of shit. Hey, right here, this is my type of shit. That's it right there. Crazy on the motherfucking ATV. Do your homework.
He's fucking 35.
Nigga,
Look,
you
look,
what,
look,
21?
look this nigga 35. Look,
You
look,
21,
square
right?
Butt, square bit ass.
21. I ain't 35.
Look,
If my ID say I'm 18. I'm good. I'm good. I just turned 18, literally in June.
I just turned 18 in July, cuz.
I don't know.
What? This better not think I better not be in. Okay.
Okay. This nigga. GTA scene with your ugly ass. That nigga be funny as hell when he said.
Got a mustache on a mustache, cuz.
Do your homework on it though.
Double bearded barrel looking at.
Yeah, I'm like Harden in this bitch. Man. I'm like Harden. James Harden. Do your homework on it. Y'all me.
in the park with it. You guys can see we just finished the first part. Now we just in the park setting up for the second shot. Yeah, that's how we gonna run it.
I don't feel like it, Kyle.
Alright, you don't pay him. Cool. But I'm going to this Torrance one. I'm giving Bo a heads up. I already sent my cut. So.
Yeah. What, do you want 100 for a torrent shit this month, Kyle?
The Torrance shit cool. I mean, like, the thing about, bro.
At proficiency, I think you should do the drone shot
Right now?
at the same time that I'm gonna be recording them. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Like, as I'm recording them on foot coming, you're also you got the drone up top tracking them too.
A different angle? Yeah.
But
I just gotta see if
you'll
you'll be in frame. I'll let you.
I know, that's the thing too. Cause I want to do 2 takes, but I'm just like, nigga, they already on some like, oh, we can't ride in here. So it's like,
Yeah, I lost 20 pounds.
none niggas like that.
He fell, Melly fell.
Yeah, no dumb shit. Want to show out?
How you fall? Hey, you gotta stop, bro. That's why they keep kicking us out. Nah, they could ride from right there. Nah, he tell him to turn the bikes off.
Like, this shit is literally hard. Like,
Welcome to the vlog.
see, I can continue with this. I'm not gonna Jada, y'all.
That's
In the world.
crazy. How we all right here?
Yeah, and it's small
How
camera.
much was it?
That's like 700. But I be uploading like vlogs.
I do not give up. I am caring for it.
Grown ass man.
I will never give up. So
Right.
basically, y'all, what we
Damn, nigga, you almost knocked this
I
shit
need to
out.
tell them what's happening. So basically, our fucking Street Money's account got banned, y'all. So we was doing good, bro. Like, niggas was getting comments, you feel me? We was